Hello, welcome to the Unseen channel. If you are enjoying the content, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thank you for watching. It's a question on many people's minds. Will the world end in the next 100 years? Although it's impossible to predict the future definitively, several potential catastrophes could end the world as we know it. In this video, we will learn 7 possible ways the world might end in the next 100 years. From asteroid collisions to nuclear wars, the possibilities are both fascinating and terrifying. Number 1. Gamma ray bursts. GRBs can reach everywhere from a few milliseconds to minutes and have been detected in galaxies almost 8 billion light years away. GRBs were first discovered in the 1960s, but their origin was unknown until the 1990s. It is now believed that GRBs are caused by the collapse of massive stars or merging of two neutron stars. In the event of a nearby GRB, the extreme radiation emitted could cause severe damage on a global scale in the next 100 years. A GRB could be catastrophic enough to end life on Earth. Number 2. Nuclear Holocaust. The potential for a nuclear holocaust is one of the most feared doomsday scenarios, and with good reason. In the current geopolitical climate, there are still nuclear weapons on air trigger alert around the world. One nuclear exchange could easily spiral into a full-blown conflict, where multiple countries would launch nuclear weapons at each other and bring about an apocalypse. A war between India and Pakistan could end up in nuclear war, and it would affect much of the globe. And it can cause environmental damage and radiation poisoning that render large area of the planet uninhabitable, leading to the collapse of human civilization. Number 3. Supervolcano. A supervolcano is an eruption of a volcano that is far more powerful than the normal kind. It is capable of ejecting huge amount of ash, lava and toxic gases into the atmosphere, which can spread over large distances and cause severe destruction. Supervolcanoes have occurred in the past and could happen again in the next 100 years. The most recent supervolcano eruption occurred at Yellowstone National Park in the United States in 640,000 BCE. It ejected 250 cubic miles of magma and ash into the atmosphere, covering half of the continent in debris. If a similar eruption occurs again soon, it would have catastrophic consequences for the planet. Also, there could be further consequences such as decrease in agricultural production, disruption of communication networks and transportation routes, and even mass starvation. We must be aware of the potential and take necessary precautions to minimize the damage they can cause. Number 4. Black hole. Black holes are perhaps the most mysterious phenomenon in the universe. The massive gravitational pull of a black hole is so powerful that it can suck in anything, even light, and can create a dark area. In theory, it is said that if a supermassive black hole were to form close enough to Earth, its gravity could cause our planet to be sucked in and destroyed. While this scenario is unlikely, the possibility remains that such an event could occur in the next 100 years. If a black hole appears close to us, there is no solution to stop it from devouring the Earth. Number 5. Artificial intelligence. There has been a great advancement in the field of artificial intelligence in the last decade. With the rise of automation and robotics, these technologies have become an integral part of our lives. The rapid development of AI and nanotechnology could have potentially catastrophic consequences for humanity in the next 100 years. AI could be used to create autonomous weapons or machines that are programmed to think and act like humans. This could lead to a situation where humans have no control over their destinies as machines take over decision-making processes. Also, nanotechnology has the potential to create self-replicating machines, which could reproduce uncontrollably and create global chaos. There is also a chance that these technologies will be used to create a new species or race of super-intelligent beings that would be far more advanced than human, leading to a new age where humans no longer dominate the planet. Number 6. Climate change. Climate change is another major issue that has been widely discussed in recent years. It refers to the increasing global average temperature because of an increase in greenhouse gas emissions caused by human activities such as the burning of fossil fuels, industrial processes, and deforestation. Climate change poses a major threat to humanity and all living things on the planet. It can lead to rise in sea level, more frequent and intense storms, changes in precipitation patterns, drought, and extreme weather events such as heat waves and floods. These changes could lead to mass displacement, famine, and species extinction. To combat the effect of climate change, individuals and governments need to act quickly by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, by investing in renewable energy sources and adopting sustainable practices. Number 7. Asteroid. The possibility of an asteroid causing the end of the world has been around for some time. An asteroid strike is potentially one of the most catastrophic events that can happen in the next 100 years. The potential destruction from an asteroid impact is far greater than any other natural disaster, as it could affect a large area and cause remarkable damage. To mitigate the risk of such an event, various space programs have been launched to monitor near-Earth objects and identify any potential threats. In conclusion, no one can say with certainty how the world might end in the next 100 years, but it will certainly come to an end one day. The best thing we can do is to be aware of potential threats and to take preventative steps to ensure that our planet is safe for future generations. Thank you for watching.